수박, watermelon. 약, medicine. 학교, school. 부엌, kitchen. 낚시, fishing. 떡볶이. 떡볶이 is one of the Korean food. 안녕하세요. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my Korean class. Today we are going to learn words with 받침, 가, the final consonant, 가 sound. 한글 자모, Korean alphabet, 가, 받침, 가, final consonant. Okay, the first one is 수박, 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 수박. Meaning is watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. Okay, please repeat after me. 수박, 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 수박. Okay, the second one is 약, 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 약. Meaning is medicine, medicine, medicine. Okay, please repeat after me. 약, 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 약. Okay, the next one is 학교, 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 학교. Meaning is school, school, school. Okay, please repeat after me. 학교, 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 학교. Okay, the next one is 부엌, 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 부엌. Meaning is kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. Okay, please repeat after me. 부엌, 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 부엌. Okay, the next one is 낚시, 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 낚시. Meaning is fishing, fishing, fishing. Okay, please repeat after me. 낚시, 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 낚시. Okay, now the last one is 떡볶이, 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 떡볶이. Meaning is 떡볶이 is one of the Korean food. Okay, please repeat after me. 떡볶이, 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 떡볶이. Okay, now please repeat after me again. 수박, 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 수박. watermelon. 수박, 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 수박. 약, 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 약. medicine. 약, 야, 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 야. 학교, 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 학교. school, 학교, 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 학교. 부엌, 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 부엌. kitchen, 부엌, 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 부엌. 낚시, 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 낚시. fishing, 낚시, 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 낚시. 떡볶이, 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 떡볶이. One of the Korean food. 떡볶이, 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 떡볶이. 잘했습니다. Great job. Today, we practice the final consonant 가 in different words. Please remember, 받침 가 is usually a short stop sound at the end. 그럼 오늘 수업이 재미있었나요? Did you enjoy today's lesson? If so, please press like, share and subscribe for more Korean lesson. And in the comment box, write your favorite word with 받침 가. 오늘은 정말 감사합니다. 다음 시간에 또 만나요. See you in the next video, next lesson. Bye bye.